look at what this question here, it says that the name 5-methyl cyclopentene is not correct. Draw the structure as name and give the word correct name. Now, this question here, you'll be giving, now you are giving a wrong name, a wrong IUPAC name. Now, from that wrong name, give you the correct name. And these are the type of questions you are going to encounter in your exam. Now, first you have to know how to name organic compound. And if you are following this channel, I've done a lot of videos on nomenclature of organic compound. I've done nomenclature of the alkanes, alkynes, cycloalkenes, ketones, and aldehydes, and the rest. I've done videos on that. So if you are still not that good in nomenclature of organic compound, they should look at the description below. You see a link where you take you to my playlist. Yeah. But this kind of question here, you want to use this wrong name to get the correct structure. Now, they have always said that this name is wrong. So how do you get the correct name? So the first one to do here is to draw the structure of this compound. Then after you draw the structure like the way it is here, then you are the one that will provide the correct name. So here we have 5-methyl solution. Here we have 5-methyl cyclopentene. Now, it's a cyclo compound. You got a cyclo compound with a double bond, cycloalkene. So here we have this one here, cycloalkene. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? With a double bond. You get? Remember, either here or here can be like carbon 1 because these are 2 points kind the functional group, the double bond, right? So if I should start here to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, methyl is account number 5. Methyl is account number 5. So that is, you bring methyl here and put it with account number 5. Now, if you are very good in nomenclature of the cycloalkene, if you have not watched that video, I've done videos on nomenclature of cycloalkenes. So the link will also be at the description below. You understand that when you have something like this, of course, if you have my carbon 1, you're going to be with my carbon 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then what about if you have my carbon 1? So if I should draw this structure again, and I have something like this, right? I have a structure like this. Now, yes, remember these 2 points kind of double bonds is they are the one that can be with my carbon 1. So if you use my carbon 1, here is going to be with my carbon 2. In this structure here, they took here to be with my carbon 1. So that's why it now becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the carbon atom that carries the methyl without carbon 5. Do you see that? Now, but what about if I should start from here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the carbon atom carrying the methyl is account number 3. So here we have carbon number 5. Here we have carbon number 3. So this one is 5-methyl cyclopentene, right? So this is name of this structure here. Why is it going to be 3-methyl cyclopentene? Do that. Now, of course, during the nomenclature, the substituent must have the lowest possible number. That is, the carbon atom carrying that substituent must have the lowest possible number. At this point here, here's the substituent is account number 5. Yeah, the substituent is account number 3. So this is the wrong one. This is the right one. So the correct name is going to be instead of saying 5-methyl cyclopentene, the name is going to be 3-methyl cyclopentene. Hope you understand. So these are the answer. So you really want from like I said with this kind of stuff. If I want to solve more questions, let's look at the next question. I look at this question here. This is a type of question you should be expecting. Yes, I say suggest reason why each of the following name is incorrect. So that is, we have been giving incorrect name and they say why is this thing incorrect? Probably give you the correct name. Do you get that? So the first one here we have methylheptene. Now, methyl is a substituent. And when you are naming, the position of the substituent must be included. But there's no position here. So what is wrong in this name here is that methyl is not having what a position. So that one is wrong. Do you understand? So because the position of one of the methyl is not included in naming, so the structure, no, so the name is what is incorrect. So if you want to suggest a name, it can either be 2 methyl or 3 methyl or what 4 methyl, what a thing. So you now be the one to suggest a name. So the suggested name here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do that. So I can just say 2 methyl or 3 methyl. If I should put it here, it's going to be what? 2 methyl. If I should put it here, it's going to be what? 3 methyl. If I should put it here, it's going to be what? 4 methyl. Do that. So this is not going to be the structure of what? 2 methyl. Do you understand? So it's going to be CH3, CH3, CH2, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, CH2, dot CH2. So this is the structure, possible what? Structure. It can either be 2 methyl. Another place may say what? 3 methyl. Another place may say what? 4 methyl. You get that? But the main reason why this one is wrong now is because the position is not what included. Hope you understand. Please, if you understand, please leave a comment at the comment section that you understand. But if you don't understand, also leave it at the comment section so that I will hear from you. It's very, very important. Let me tell you what the second one here. You say what? 2-dimethylpropane. Now when you say dimethyl, that is the position that is going to be 2-methyl group. You get? So when you say 2-dimethylpropane, that is methyl is twice. Do you get that? And the position also must be included. This 2 means what is for only one of the methyl. The position of the other methyl is not what included. So it can either be 2,2-dimethyl what propene. So because propene is like this 1, 2, 3, right? So here we have methyl. Here we have what methyl. Do you get that? So here we have CH3. Then here we have CH3, CH3. Then what CH3. So the correct thing is going to be 2,2-dimethylpropane, not 2, because the 2-methyl group is at the same carbon. So that's why it's not correct. So the reason why it's not correct is because the position of only one of the methyl is included, not 2 of them. You understand? So it's supposed to be what? 2,2-dimethylpropane. Hope you understand. So now look at what the third one, C. So now look at what the C part. Here we have 3-propylhexane. So now let's check. The first one to do here is what? Draw the structure of this one here. So here we have hexane. Hexane is what? 6 carbon atom, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you understand? Now we have what we call propyl. That is account number 3. I have a propyl group. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 1, 2, 3. Now, but they said this name is wrong. So why is name wrong? That's what you want to figure out. Why is name wrong? Remember, when you have something like this, the first you want to do is what? Take the longest continuous carbon chain, right? So from here to here, how many carbons do we have? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now that is what we got here. Now, but what about if you should take from here to here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means that this name is not correct. Is what is wrong. Now because the parent chain is not 6, it's supposed to be what 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have from here to here is what is my parent what chain. Why this is going to be what my source, which is going to be what ethyl. Look at something here. If you have not watched my complete video on nomenclature, because this is just like what an application of your previous knowledge, application of your previous knowledge, I will highly recommend you to what go get that playlist and watch all the videos there, because this application I've taught you how to what name compounds, the alkanes, the alkyne. So it's knowledge now you are used to what to get this question here. Now we are being given this structure here, and they say it's wrong. So what is the correct name? That's what they are trying to tell you here. So this is structure here. Now if you take from here to here is what? Is 6. But if you take from here to here is what? Is 7. So the parent name is not is what? 10. So parent name is what? Is 10. You get? So here we now have what is substituents. Remember, when you are naming this character must have the lowest possible what number. So if I have something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whichever way you count is, this is going to be what cover what 4. So the correct name is going to be what 4 what itai, then what 18. Do that. So the reason why this is wrong because hexane is not what the parent chain. It's supposed to be what heptane because heptane has more cover than what hexane. You get? So like what I said, this is what is an application of the knowledge I've already gotten from the previous what nomenclature, from the what previous what nomenclature. So the correct name is not what 3 propyl hexane, is what 4 ethyl heptane. That is what the correct name. Hope you understand. Please, if you understand, please leave it in the comment section. I really want to hear from you. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have anyone that would like to see this video as your exam is approaching, please kindly share the link to them. So let's see if you can do one more before we end this class. Yeah, we are being given this compound here. It said 1,4-isopropyl butane. Now this structure is wrong. Then they ask you why is structure wrong, and you suggest the correct name. So if you follow this pattern here, and you want to draw the structure here, we have butane. Butane means how many carbon? 4 carbon. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now, if I should start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's what my carbon 1, here's what my carbon 4, right? When we talk about isopropyl is CH3, CH3. This is called isopropyl. Then this isopropyl is our carbon number what? 1. You get that? So it's not only a carbon number 1, it's also a carbon number what? 4. So here we have CH3. Here we have CH3. Do you understand now? So here we have H. Here we have H. Here we have what? H2. So now let us leave the hydrogen here. Now we have this is structure of this 1,4-isopropyl butane. Now if you apply your knowledge of nomenclature, you get that. Here by nomenclature, you take the longest continuous carbon chain. Now the wrong one they start from here to here. This is the wrong one. You are supposed to start from either here or here. So when I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is octane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octane. So the parent name is not what butane, rather it's octane. Is what octane. Now if I should take from here to here, I have only 2 substituents. Here we have a methyl. Here I have a methyl. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get? So I can either start my number from here, or I can start with my number from here. Both of them will give me the same numbers of possible number when I sum them together. So that is why I would recommend you to go watch my complete playlist on nomenclature of the organic compounds. It's very important to watch those videos. If you have not still master nomenclature of organic compound, then go and watch the playlist. I will suggest you start from the alkanes. After the alkane, move towards cycloalkenes. Then cycloalkane move towards alkenes. Cycloalkene move to alkynes, alcohol, ketone, and aldehyde, carbonic acid functional or derivative. So these are you spend more time to watch this video and master the very well, because these are the question here. You are building on your knowledge of your previous one. You already know. And if you are not good in nomenclature, there is no way you're able to answer this question. So if I start with my number from here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. It means that account number 2, account number 7 have what 2 methyl group. You get? So how am I going to do this? It's going to be what 2 7. Remember, numbers and numbers are separated by what comma. Then we have what di. This di means what we have 2 of the word methyl. Dimethyl octane. So the correct name is going to be 2,7-dimethyl octane, not 1,4-isopropyl butane. You get that? So we are going to end our class here. If this video is helpful, please kindly leave a comment at the comment section to tell me that yes, you really follow. If this is helpful, please tell me at the comment section that this is really helpful. But if you don't understand, you can also put it there so I can also make adjustments. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, then turn on the notification bell, because when I upload content or any video regarding to this kind of content, you'll be the first to be notified that a new content will be uploaded, so you can go watch it. Yes, because it's not this time you come to Campus TV. Yes, so you'll be missing a lot when you have not subscribed and when you have not turn on the notification icon. Please, if this video is helpful, please kindly share it and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.